Hello and welcome to this particular question, guys. We are going to discuss with you the doubt of the day at Doubtspad. This particular question talks about a group of students who have prepared 3000 softwares and as a group activity at a cost of 2400 rupees. So what is the cost involved in the whole transaction? So the cost, or I should say the cost price involved is 2400, which is to make a total of 3000 software. Out of these 3000 softwares, what is the next line going to tell you is that they gave away 500 softwares to a charity free of cost. So that means for these 500 softwares, the selling price was 0 rupees. Next, what is the line being said after that? It says they allowed a discount of 20% on the mark price. So we'll talk about that, and gave one software free for every software bought at a time. Okay. They were able to sell off all the softwares. So that means if I say a little bit in an unorthodox manner is 2500 softwares were given away, but for those, one was given free of cost for every one bought. So that means the money which came was for 1250 softwares, and the selling price of these also turns out to be 0. That means only 1250 softwares were being sold for some money here. Okay. So what is the mark price? Now if we see here the transaction, the cost price was 2400, but the mark price for one software was 3.5 rupees, which is given in the next line now, right? What is the overall gain or profit percentage in the whole transaction? We have to find out. So what would be the mark price of 1250? That will be 1250 multiplied by 3.5, decimal gone. So this would be 125 into 35 is the mark price of those 1250 which were actually sold for money, right? And for these items, there will be a discount of 20% as well. So the discount on these 1250 will be 20%, right? So what is 20%? It is 1 by 5. Just do 1 by 5 of 125 into 35. So you will be getting 7 into 125 is a discount. So what is the selling price? That means it would be this minus this. If you take 125 common, you'll get 35 minus 7, that would be a 28. The selling price of 1250 for which the money came, how much money came is what we are looking for right now. So the money came was 125 into 28. So 125 into, or I can say 25 into 5 is 125, and 4 into 7 is 28. So what 25 4s are 100, 5 7s are 35. So 3500 rupees is the money that came after the whole transaction was done away with. So 3500 was the money that came, which is called the selling price now. 2400 rupees was the overall cost involved in making those items. So what would be the profit, guys? The difference between these two. So the profit will be 3500 minus 2400, that is going to be 1100. So the profit is 1100 rupees on an investment of 2400 rupees. So what is the profit percentage in this particular transaction? It is going to be 11 upon 24 into 100. So now this will be what? 4 6s and 4 25s. So 25 into 11 will be 275 upon 6. You will be getting 6 4s are 24, 35. That is 5s are 30. Then 5 upon 6 is 0.833. So 83.33 is 5 upon 6 into 100. So 45.833 will be the overall profit involved in this particular item. And that is the easiest way I can explain it to you without using any kind of successive percentage logic, m minus b minus md upon 100, 1 plus m upon 100 into 1 minus d1 upon 100 into 1 minus d2 upon 100 is equals to 1 plus p upon 100. These are the formulas which I could have used. But because this is a doubt session for you, for the students who might not have studied from us, so that is why I try to discuss with you in the easiest manner using the simplest of the approach. So please note it down, and still if you face any doubts, please write to us. We'll try to revert back to you.
टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पर सॉल्यूशंस तो हैं, लेकिन समझ नहीं आते. So, CAT tutorials come with a fantastic thing for you guys. Post your doubts on our CAT 2025 Doubtpads and get free video detailed solution. Link is in the description box for the Telegram channel. Join guys, hurry up.